This video will demonstrate to you how to create a lecture that you might want to deliver to your students via a movie uploaded to YouTube. The software I'm using right now is QuickTime Player, and I'll show you that very quickly. If I open QuickTime Player, you can see that under File I have several choices, one of which is New Screen Recording. Now I'm doing the screen recording now, which is why it's grayed out. If I click that, I would be given some instructions to start the screen recording. One thing you want to think about when doing a screen recording is making sure your microphone is working. You won't know that till after you finish the recording if you don't hear sound. A good habit to be into is check system preferences. While we're here, we can look at the preferences, and the one I want to look at is the sound preference. I want to check my input. And right now I've plugged in a USB headset and microphone, and you can see that it's highlighted, and I'm getting good audio level here. Now I can change that audio level up and down if I want to. It looks good there, so we're going to leave it. I'll be out of system preferences. The other thing I'd like to show you is how you're seeing my face on the screen. You may or may not want to put your person on the screen. It's pretty much what you're trying to deliver in the lecture. I have opened iMovie, and I'll show you what I've done there. I've opened iMovie, and with iMovie open, you'll see that there's a camera icon. If I click the camera icon, my onboard camera appears, and my face is actually being recorded into iMovie right now, but since I'm recording what's on the computer screen with QuickTime, you're seeing me right there. I could use Photo Booth for this, but the problem with Photo Booth is that if I display something like this with words on it, those words would come out backwards. iMovie doesn't flip the image, but Photo Booth does, so I prefer iMovie for this. Now the idea here is to deliver a lecture. I have a lecture in Keynote that I'd like my students to see. It's running in the background right now, so let's get to that. I'm going to Command Tab, and as I Command Tab and go to my Keynote lecture, you'll see that my face disappears and the lecture's on the screen. I can click through it like I normally would and deliver the lecture to my students with all the information that's on the screen, and give them some embellishments with my own words. I could also come back to me, Command Tab, back to iMovie. I could show them something, Command Tab, go back to the Keynote, and just continue the lecture this way. Once I'm finished, I'll Command Tab back to the QuickTime Player, and the way to stop the movie is right up on the top. You'll see Stop Recording. I'm not going to stop it right now because I have a few more things to say. Once the recording is finished, it's an auto-save situation where this will get saved into your Movies folder. So I've just opened up my Movies folder here. I'm going to block my face a little bit, but you can see I'm in my Movies folder. And you'll see screen recording number, well, whatever number it is. You see I've done a few of these. Once the movie is finished and in the movies folder, you can upload it to YouTube, take the URL, and link it to your students. Let me get this out of here so I can just say goodbye, and thank you for watching.